All right, hi guys, how are you today? Just a few check-in tips. We're going over a few routines. Things are getting a little bit sloppy, and I need to check back in and I need to make sure that we're getting done everything that we need to get done. Okay, so we're going to go over some basic science routines. After you view the entire video and after you've looked at the letter, made sure that you and your parents have gone over it, you will need to fill out the Google form that is attached to the assignment, and that is worth 25 points towards your grade today. So your work can be done in a matter of minutes today. Okay, let's make sure we're getting that done. So if you are looking where I am, we have on here things that need to be done every day. Every day. Not just some days, every day. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is you need to check in your attendance before noon. Please, 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 please check in before noon. Okay? Because I cannot hunt you down. And with the new attendance policy from the city, if you don't turn it in a timely fashion and we have to report it to the city that you're absent, we can't fix it. We don't have any access to it after we turn it in. Okay? So make sure that you're checking. It's a single checkbox. I usually put a joke on there this week. I started doing that. They're silly, but they work. Okay? And I need you to complete your assignment every day by the time it's due. So see, like, this is crucial. Because here's what happens. We have multiple platforms or we have multiple forms, and I'm grading them all and I'm giving you comments and feedback and I'm writing on your PowerPoints, and then somebody turns it in like 3 days later. Now I got to go back and find it. And then it goes back and forth and back and forth. And now you've been marked absent because you didn't check in and you didn't turn in work. It's a super big problem. Okay, so please make sure it's done by the time it's due. If you have something that's, crazy going on, private message me on the assignment and I will get back to you. We can always make arrangements. We can't just let it go and then you tell me, and this has always been the rule. You guys always knew if you had a problem, you got to ask me before the due date. Okay, so let's make sure we're sticking to that. I have office hours from 10 to noon. From 10 to noon, I will be by my computer, by my iPad, whatever it is that I'm using that day. Will I be staring at it? No. I will probably be grading other assignments, creating other assignments, answering other people. But I'm going to get that message, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to answer it as quickly as I can. Just know that if you're doing work and you think you're going to have a problem and you want immediate type feedback, like within 10-15 minutes, you're going to have to message during that time. Okay? I can answer at other times, but it may take a little longer. I may be doing something else. I may be in a meeting. I know I've messaged a couple of you back saying I'm in a meeting. I'll take care of it when I'm done. It is what it is. We're all I know you guys too are having that problem where you're sharing devices or your device doesn't want to work today. We're going to do the best we can. If you have a general question about the assignment, does it say this, or God forbid I didn't make a copy for everybody, or something that is just general and not specific to you, please comment under the assignment and not on the turn-in page, because the turn-in page is private. So if you ask me a question about how to work the assignment, someone else is probably going to have that question. So it's easier for everybody if we just comment publicly. Okay? So it's here. We're going to comment, on the assignment. Okay? Private comments come straight from the turn-in page. Okay? You can comment at any time, day or night. I've seen some of you on there with me at 1 a.m. I don't know why you're not sleeping. I hope that you're getting rest. But you can comment at any time. It's just that outside of those office hours, it might take me a little longer. Okay? So let's also look at late work. You know late work is my pet peeve. It's super, 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 super hard to find it right now. It's hard to go back and give credit. Some of you are clicking turn in and then not turning in the work. So that's another thing I might add here. Please turn in the work. When you click turn in, okay? Because if you click turn in, but you don't give me any work, then I have to leave you that message that says there's nothing here and put a 0 on it, okay? If you do have to turn something in late, even if we made arrangements, just that's when you put a private message on your assignment, okay? That way I'll get the message notification and I'll know to check for it. I have a list of probably 3 or 4 people today that turned in some random late assignments, and they are on my list. So if you are one of them, I will get to you. It's a matter of going back and searching up the assignments. Okay? Attendance, super sticky issue right now with the city. Okay? So what we're using for attendance is you turning in your work. So if you don't turn in your work, I have to mark you absent. That's why I give you a daily attendance check-in. It's easier for me to see if you're here on a daily check-in than to go back and say, did I comment with this person today? Did they turn in the work? Were they maybe on this site? Were they doing this back work? That's what we were doing the first week, and it was taking us probably 2 hours a day to find you all. So my check-ins are not only being used by me, but sometimes you miss an assignment for another class. They think you're absent. They mark you absent. I'm able to change it to say that you were present for the day. Okay? Super, super important. If your work is like more than the next early morning, you're going to stay absent. Because once we turn it into the city, we can't change it. It's like when we don't change it because we turned it in during homeroom. Once they scan that, we're done. Okay? So we can't change that. Make sure you make the effort. It's really not that hard. And a bunch of you have been checking your attendance and then not doing your work. But I see you doing work in other classes. So let's move on and get to work rules. Work rules. Like, number 1 should really just be, number 1, do your work. Okay? That should be number 1, and I didn't number any of them. You want to read all the directions before you start. Like, read everything. I have gotten so many comments on directions that were clearly printed. So make sure you read, double check, go back and give it a try. You can assume that I made a copy of the assignment for you. I know, Regents, we had a huge brouhaha the other day. It wouldn't let me make copies. I get it. If you did the assignment, you got pretty much full credit if I could find all your work. If I can't make a copy, or if I forgot to make a copy, make that comment public so that the other people will know they need to make a copy before they start so that they don't mess up the original. It also lets me know that I can try to check on it. Okay? All right. Okay, the next one is to complete all parts of the assignment, please. Like, when you don't watch the entire video, I can tell. I can shout out classes where people are watching 80% of the video and then trying to take the quiz and wondering why they get like a 40, 45, 55 on it. I can tell when you watch like 30% of the video. It gives me an exact number. All of the sites do. Okay? So make sure that you're watching the entire video or tutorial, and I can see how long you watched. Complete all parts of the answer. All parts. So make sure all of the questions are answered, and if a question asks for evidence, give evidence. Remember, when we cite evidence in science, it does not have to come from a paragraph. Although my core science students right now are in the middle of an article, and I do expect you to give evidence. So if you turn that in today and it doesn't have evidence, you have single word answers, like I read today, please take it back and fix it. Okay? Most answers will not be a single word, so make sure to check your work. Also, read the entire document before trying to turn in your assignment. Like you're going to need to do something with this document. I would expect that you have read the entire thing and watched the video so that you can hear the explanation. Okay? All right. So that should take care of most of the work rules. They're all standard. You've been doing them. It's just since we're not in front of each other, you forgot. Sorry. All right, help is on the way. I am getting this video thing. I'm starting to make strides with it. Okay? So make sure that you're watching. Okay? It is taking me a little while to get these done. I understand that. Some of them are a little more detailed, like 803, 804, I'm working on one for your mutations, okay? I've created the little DNA molecules, but now I need to get them to work. But I am looking for topics, okay? So not just topics about the subject, but like if you don't know how to attach work, if you don't know how to take a picture and attach it, if there are things that you don't know what sites to get on or where to go in those sites when I assign work, you're going to message me that, okay? So message me on this assignment page, and that'll be a private message, and then I can make a video tutorial for you, or I can get you the help that you need. Like I said, I'm not as good at these videos as some people, so it takes me a little bit longer. But I want to do them right, so I want to make sure they get done, okay? So if you need help, you need something, you don't want to shout it out, go on to this assignment, give it a private message, and I will take a look at it, okay? That being said, to complete this assignment, to get your 25 points, you must have read the entire document with the parent or guardian, okay? You must have watched this video, and in 2 seconds, I am going to give you the answer to one of your questions, if you give me just a second, because I took the page down and forgot about it. So that is a no bueno. And so today's riddle is, what do you call a duck that gets all A's? I'll wait a minute while you think of the answer. It's clever and it's required for your paper. So what do you call a duck that gets all A's? You call that duck a wise quacker. Have a good day. Don't forget to write that answer down so you can use it on your quiz. Bye-bye.